Good morning, students. I am Kanti sir and heartily welcome you in our today's very short session for guidance of preparing models from NET. So you know it is the event mathematics competition and you were informed about that also. But again, we will cover everything regarding that. So it is mathematics competition. Now these are rules for our competition. First of all, you have to prepare at least two model compulsory, not one, at least two. Okay. So either you can prepare two, three, or four models. It is up to you. Models should be prepared from chart paper only by cutting net with fixed measurement. So you pre-decide the measurement of length, breadth, height, or radius. Then only cut them, and accurately only. And after cutting, just fold them. Show measurement of edges, radius, etc. on model. So you can show it on net only. Then automatically it will come to model also. Otherwise, after preparing model, you can also write it. But radius should be denoted after folding only because it cannot be predetermined. Okay, that's why. Now, before preparing model, take photographs of label net. It is compulsory. So you have to take photographs. Suppose you prepare three model, then photographs of all three models should with you. Okay, crop it properly. Photograph is there, then convert it into PDF, and then whenever you are asked, just send it to your associate. You will be informed regarding everything, date, number of associate, everything. You can shoot short video of preparation process also after cutting net, but it is not compulsory. If you want, you can. Understood? So these are basic rules, and if you want, you can take screenshot also so that it will be handy whenever you require. Okay, student, this is the net for cube. Net for cube. You can see net having 6 surfaces. Why? Because cube having 6 surfaces. All 6 surfaces are equal here because cube means what you know. And in cube, all are square. All surfaces are square. You can see here, if you fold, then this will be bottom part. So this is bottom. Okay. This surrounding square will go up. Okay, so there are 4 walls like that. So it will be like left surface, then this will be right. Okay, if it becomes back surface, suppose it is back, then this will be front. Okay, and this will be top. So understood? So it will be folded accordingly so that this type of shape you will have. Understood? I will demonstrate here also how to prepare net, what type of net physically will be there, and how to fold it. And actually you have to make here somewhat like flap also like this. Here means everywhere at left and right, here also. So total 7 flaps are needed, left, right, everywhere, and one at top, otherwise at bottom anywhere. So that you can apply glue or Fevicol there, so your model having good finishing. Okay, so again you can take screenshot if you need. And what type of cube will be there, you can see there. Okay, students, now next is for cuboid. You can see here all surfaces are not square but rectangle. Okay, Now you can decide any length, any breadth, and any height. These are height. You okay. So it is 15 written, and that is a length. 8, it is the breadth, and these are height because they are going to come upside. This will be also, this also. These all surfaces will be come up, so it will be height. So everywhere it is 666 will be there. Understood? Now again also this will be top surface, it will be up. Sorry, this will be bottom surface and it will be top surface. If you consider left, then it will be right. If back, then it will be front. Same way here also you can make flap just like cube. Nothing different is here, but size of all surfaces will be different. And here all measurements will not be equal, but different length, breadth and height. To 3 measurement you have to decide. And at last you will have this type of cuboid. Okay, this is for cone. So for cutting net of cone, you first of all draw whole circle. Whole circle. Out of whole circle, just remove this part. Minor sector be removed and major sector be retained. Okay, so it will be useful. This will be discarded, not useful. Okay, so then you just to fold, then you will have this type of shape. No need to cut here base, because it will not be fixed before. Okay, so priorly you cannot measure it, but after folding, if you wish, you can cut exact radius circle. Okay, so priorly you cannot prepare it, just prepare one circle and remove this minor sector. So major sector will be left and it will be folded. So cone will be prepared like that. Okay, it is not useful right now. Okay, this is for cylinder. It is very simple. You just cut one rectangle. So if you fold this edge to this edge, then these types of cylinder will be formed. Again, here no need to cut circle. But after folding, you can measure diameter, get it half, so radius, and after getting radius, you can cut another circle. But instead of that, I have one idea also without cutting circle, because cutting circle making somewhat time. Okay, so another one option also there. I will demonstrate whenever I show it here. Okay, students. So far we seen all the shape here. Okay, this is cylinder. Before it was cone. Priorly it was cuboid and cube. Okay, so these are all shapes. Now what is requirement? So requirements are chart paper 1 or 2, scissors or cutter, glue or fevicol, ruler means rounder. Sorry, ruler means scale, and pair of compass means rounder for cutting the net of cone. Understood? Okay, now I demonstrate how to fold them. This is my net for cube. Now you can see here flaps are also there. Here also, everywhere left, right, in one at top portion. Okay, I have written here length also. Now you have to write on all surfaces length. Here length only there, no breadth height like this. And you should here count area of each surface also in cube as well as cuboid also. Understood? So this is the net. Now how to fold? It's very simple. This part become base. So surrounding all 4 walls will be like that. Now after it folded, you just apply glue on flap only. Flap can be of any size. No fixed size will be there. But it will be like that. Here angle should be there. Just like in class. So that you can fold it very easily. So this is my cube which is prepared. on all surface you have to write measurement as well as area also. Understood? So this is for cube. Now this is the net for cuboid. Again same type of flaps here, left right here, left right here, also left right, and at top also one flap. You can see how flap are being prepared of any size, not so much, but hardly half centimeter breadth is enough. So again same type of folding will be there, but here length, breadth and height will be different. This is all my length. I have taken 15 centimeter. If you can see it, but I think not possible it. Now these vertical things means vertical edges are breadth and these things all are height. Okay, so again on all surfaces write measurements and area of each and every surface also. Now how to fold? Again same way, just like cube. Okay, so almost cube and cuboid preparation is same. Now after preparation, after folding of 4 walls, you just fold top portion. So it will be your cuboid. Apply glue carefully. Okay, so their finishing will be good. Understood? So it is cuboid. Now this is the net of cone. Actually, I have to prepare first of all cut here circle. Out of whole circle, this part is removed. 2 radius are drawn and minor sector is removed. So whatever left here, that will be fold. Now how to fold? No need of flap here. I actually prepare flap, but flap is not required. You just fold it that way. Okay, somewhat overlap here. So it will be exit. Okay, here vertex should be clear. So this will be base. And now no need to cut circle. If you want to cut circle, then measure diameter, get it halved. Then you will have radius. So you can cut exactly circle also, but at that time flap should be there. So if you want, you can cut here flap also like that. Okay, but instead you just apply here any shape. No exact cutting. Then only cut with scissor or cutter. Understood? So apply any part is there with you, whether square or irregular shape, apply it so that whole circle cover and then cut only. So it will be also perfect. Okay, so again this is my net and I fold it that way, apply here everywhere glue. And then how to make base means circle. So circle will be prepared by sticking any surface here, means art paper here, and then only cut it. Otherwise you can measure exactly diameter, radius, and then draw circle on chart paper, cut it and then apply here. But for that purpose this type of flap should be there, otherwise it will not fit exactly here. Okay, and last one is cylinder. Cylinder is very simple, just one rectangle is needed. Here also I prepare here flap, but flaps are not needed if you overlap somewhat part here. Okay, so if I can fold that way, then obviously it will be cylinder. So this is cylinder. Now 2 bases are required, one circle here and one circle here. So again same way, just like cone, either you can measure diameter, get radius and cut exact circle, otherwise stick anything and then cut it. Understood? And now you can see one interesting thing also. If I fold that way, then this length becomes circumference. Understood? This length become now circumference of the cylinder. And another edge becomes height. Okay? So again, it is very simple getting cylinder, but cutting net of cube and cuboid may take some time. Okay. So I hope you will prepare maximum number of solids. Not I keep here limit of 2, at least 2, so only 2. You can prepare 3 or all also, so that your chances of getting selected for prize will be increased. Okay, from each category 3 models will be prepared. Sorry, will be selected. From each category 3 models selected. Okay, and you advancedly inform about that. So students, I hope you understood everything about that. If you want, you can pause the video also, you can take screenshot, otherwise you can rewatch the same video also and other source. You can search YouTube video also so that you will understand more. Okay, students. So I hope you got and you will prepare models with great interest and enthusiasm. Thank you very much.